Hey, my name is Lee. I'm the owner at Oscar Lee's Barbecue, where we smoke prime brisket, turkey, ribs, and do some awesome sandwiches and sides. So as a chef, it's really important to have perfect time and temperature control. Cooking everything from barbecue to steaks to chicken to get perfect color, perfect crispiness on the outside, and the perfect doneness inside. My big commercial smokers have really accurate time and temperature control. They also have a feature that when I set the time, the unit turns off and prevents the meat from cooking any further and lets it rest right inside the unit, which is what I love about the Primo, is you can do the same thing in this small unit as I do in my big commercial smokers. A lot of the times when I cook a piece of meat, a steak, a chicken, it requires searing it first and then finishing it in the oven. The Primo is great because you can do that all in one unit. If I want to sear a steak to get those nice grill marks and then finish cooking it gently so it's tender and juicy, I can do that in one unit instead of dirtying a pan and turning on my oven. So the capacity in the Primo is really great. We're all used to having toaster ovens that really don't fit much of anything inside, but the Primo can fit a whole chicken, a whole standing rib roast, or anything I really want to cook if I have guests over at my house on my day off. I think one of the most difficult things for a home cook is roasting a perfect chicken. And I think the stage cooking, the timer, and the probe on the Primo can really help with that. The NuWave Primo is convenient, it's easy to clean, and it takes all the guesswork out of cooking some complicated cuts of meat.